Everyone, today, there are stocks moving in ways that shock even experienced investors, yet their real prices remain surprisingly modest. The stock market has long been a place where fortunes are made, not overnight, but through patience, discipline, and a deep understanding of risk and reward. It is a living system, constantly adapting to economic shifts, technological breakthroughs, and human behavior. Markets create opportunities that are accessible to anyone willing to study them. They reward consistency over impulsiveness, knowledge over speculation, and patience over haste. History has shown that disciplined investing can transform lives. Ordinary individuals can participate in wealth creation that once seemed reserved for the elite. Yet, the stock market is not without its dangers. Every investment carries risk. Prices fluctuate based on sentiment, competition, and global events. It is this delicate balance of risk and reward that makes the market both exciting and demanding. Those who respect this balance and act with intelligence rather than emotion often find themselves on a path of steady growth, while those who ignore it face unpredictability. Even in times of uncertainty, when headlines scream doom or sudden spikes create frenzy, the market remains a powerful mechanism for wealth accumulation. This story is about one such stock that has quietly captured attention, not because it made headlines overnight, but because its underlying technology and market position suggest significant potential. In today's global economy, technology is no longer a background player. It is the engine driving progress. Industries that harness artificial intelligence, machine learning, and voice recognition are rapidly transforming everyday life. From automotive systems to smart home devices, from mobile applications to large-scale enterprise solutions, AI technology is embedded in ways most consumers scarcely notice. Companies in this sector operate across multiple cities, often establishing offices and technology hubs around the world. They employ teams of engineers, data scientists, and innovators working to refine algorithms and improve performance. Their products influence how millions of people interact with devices, access services, and make decisions. The impact on investors is equally profound. This industry has drawn significant attention from venture capitalists, institutional investors, and retail traders alike. Even modest gains in adoption or technological breakthroughs can have far-reaching consequences on stock prices. The challenge lies in identifying which companies are poised to translate innovation into sustainable revenue growth, and which may struggle to compete in a crowded, fast-moving market. In the midst of this landscape, a particular company has been quietly building its foundation, positioning itself within the voice AI and conversational technology sector, a field that until recently remained niche, but is now emerging as a central component of everyday digital experiences. This company generates revenue primarily through the development of voice recognition software and AI-driven conversational platforms. Its products serve a variety of clients, ranging from automotive manufacturers to smart device developers and enterprise-level service providers. By offering tools that allow machines to understand, process, and respond to human speech, the company has carved out a unique niche in the technology ecosystem. Revenue streams are diverse. Licensing agreements, software subscriptions, and partnerships with major corporations ensure that growth is not reliant on a single source. Investors have taken notice, with market confidence rising as the company demonstrates consistent innovation and expansion of its technology portfolio. Recent developments suggest an acceleration of adoption across industries. Analysts point to collaborations with automotive brands, integration with smart devices, and early signs of interest from global service providers. Financial performance trends indicate a company still investing heavily in research and development, yet capable of attracting significant client contracts. Despite remaining unnamed at this stage, the market is already showing signs of recognition. Trading volumes have increased, interest from institutional investors has grown, and attention from analysts has heightened. This is the story of a company whose quiet work behind the scenes may soon result in more visible market impact. Now, it is time to reveal the company that has been quietly gaining traction. SoundHound AI listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SOUN. SoundHound AI stands out because of its pioneering work in voice AI and conversational intelligence. Unlike many tech companies that promise innovation, SoundHound delivers tangible solutions already integrated into products used worldwide. Investors watch this company closely because it operates in a sector expected to expand dramatically over the coming years. Within the stock market landscape, SoundHound AI represents a convergence of technology, consumer adoption, and potential market growth. Its position is unique. The company is not just another AI firm. It is a voice-first AI company with applications spanning vehicles, devices, and enterprise systems. This specialization allows it to differentiate itself from broader AI players and gain traction with strategic partnerships. Founded in California, SoundHound AI has steadily grown over the past decade. Its journey has been marked by a series of strategic moves, including technology patents, partnerships with automotive and tech giants, and a focus on building a platform that can be widely licensed and integrated. Key milestones include the development of proprietary voice recognition algorithms capable of processing natural language with high accuracy and speed. The company has consistently invested in research and development, ensuring that its offerings remain competitive in a field where innovation is the primary currency. Challenges have been significant. Competition in AI technology is fierce, with large, established players dominating certain markets. SoundHound has faced hurdles related to scaling its technology, navigating complex licensing agreements, and managing the balance between aggressive growth and operational sustainability. Yet, its competitive advantages lie in its focus on voice AI, the robustness of its technology, and the depth of its integration capabilities. For investors, the risk profile is clear. This is not a guaranteed success story. Stock volatility, dependency on adoption rates, and the ever-changing landscape of AI technology all contribute to uncertainty. At the same time, the potential for growth is substantial, especially for those with a long-term perspective who understand the technology's transformative potential. Looking ahead, SoundHound AI's expansion plans include broader adoption in automotive systems, voice-activated devices, and enterprise customer service platforms. Industry trends suggest increasing reliance on AI-driven voice solutions, with demand growing in both consumer and business markets. Market expectations remain cautiously optimistic. Analysts forecast steady adoption curves, with growth driven by partnerships and technological leadership. While no projection is certain, the company's positioning indicates a strong potential for continued relevance in a rapidly evolving industry. Balanced optimism is essential. While the company demonstrates innovation and market traction, external factors, including competition, regulatory developments, and technological shifts, will influence outcomes. Investors and observers alike are encouraged to watch trends, understand the technology, and consider the broader market context, rather than relying on hype. The story of SoundHound AI illustrates the profound opportunities available in the stock market when innovation, strategy, and market awareness converge. Investors, students, and technology enthusiasts can learn from the company's journey, how focusing on a specialized niche, committing to research, and building strategic partnerships can create value over time. Markets involve risk, knowledge, patience, and critical thinking remain the most reliable tools for navigating them. No single stock guarantees success, but careful study, understanding of trends, and realistic assessment of potential can make a meaningful difference. As we conclude, remember this. In a world driven by technology, some of the quietest companies are preparing to make the loudest impact. The key is to observe, learn, and think long-term. SoundHound AI, with its voice AI technology and strategic positioning, is one such story, an example of innovation, meeting opportunity quietly yet powerfully within the marketplace.